What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be doing a little bit of a back road kind of drive. We'll get some POV kind of stuff in. I'm meeting up with a buddy of mine. He's got an old Mercedes convertible. Should be pretty fun. We'll go get some photos, go take in the scenery, and you guys are along for the ride. Let's go. All right, what better way to start out the vlog than with a little pull. Never gets old. All right, guys, so we made it to our first stop here. We're actually at the car wash real quick before we go and do some back road driving because my car is filthy. You can see right there. It doesn't pick it up that well on camera, but this thing just sits outside, so it's covered in pollen. It's got pollen all in the front, so it's much needed. Yeah, so we're planning on doing just kind of a little bit of a POV drive type of style. We'll hit some back roads and take some photos and just kind of fool around. We got plenty of time. We got Bob's car here. A nice dark blue metallic, beautiful. What year is this?
This is a 2001.
So we got a 2001. It's the 430, so it's got the extra V8 over the 6-cylinder one. It's a beautiful looking car. So we're just out here having some fun today. Sorry for the wind noise. It's really windy up here. My hair is a complete absolute mess just because of being windows down, because why not? It's summer. And yeah, so we'll catch you guys up in just a little bit. So we got the car all wiped down now. Unfortunately, I can't dry it. I have microfibers in the trunk, but that can only go so far. I've never actually been to this car wash before, but they do not have a dryer at this one. Usually I rely on just like a leaf blower if I'm doing it at home, or some sort of other dryer just to kind of get the job done, and then I'll do a once over with a microfiber. But everybody on the internet seems to have their own way of doing it. Drop how you do it in the comment section below, whether it's an S4 or any other car. We got Bob's Mercedes back out here now. Thing is looking super nice. Got the top up, just waiting for it to dry, and of course that 3-pointed star emblem on the front. All right, guys, so we just got the cars washed up. S4 is looking fine, and look at that view. the gorgeous rolling hills in the background. It's like 70 degrees out. Merc is looking fire. Absolutely beautiful. We're gonna go hit up some more back roads. I'll give you guys a little POV, and then we'll be good.
Awesome.
Guys, we're getting to the more of the back road twisty kind of part, like I was talking about. So I'm gonna shut up and enjoy. Into an 18-wheeler, just our luck. It seems to usually happen whenever you're, you know, even at night in these areas where there isn't a lot of people. That still usually seems to happen. So I usually just flip it back into automatic or something, and we just kind of chill now. So that pretty much concludes the backroads portion of the vlog. All right, guys, that pretty much wraps up today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Just kind of a sort of random turn of events, just trying to have some fun in the back roads, you know, just fooling around. We got nothing else to do being in quarantine. Speaking of which, I hope you guys are all doing well and staying safe. You know, going out only when you need to. We're coming down. Things are starting to come down a little bit, but we still got to keep our fingers crossed, and we still got to just hold our heads down while everything you know, sort of gets better and hopefully gets better, at least in your area, and maybe gets worse for some people. But we all got to stay strong. That's why I'm making these videos, providing this content with you guys, and hopefully you enjoyed it, because there is a lot more to come. I cannot preface that enough. There's a lot more content coming. It's going to be some really cool stuff. I got some new modifications to the S4 in the mail as we speak right now, so we got a lot of really cool stuff coming in, so make sure to stay tuned for that. Don't forget to subscribe. Any questions, comments, concerns, whatever, leave them in the comments section below, and like the video too while you're at it, just for the hell of it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Take care.